up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All that does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my video to more and more people. So thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all my videos. And today we're bringing you that Christmas special. We got my brother, my best friend Wordsburg, right here for another video. We got him visiting for the holiday season. Merry Christmas to all of you out there.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Let's go. As you can see, he's repping the Eagles merch.
You already
Fly,
know,
Eagles, fly. No, lie, Eagles, lie. Because that's what he does. He lies.
About to be Super Bowl champs 2023. Let's go.
Hey, manifestation. That's what it's all about. Listen, we're going to cut to the chase right now. And we're going to do a sneaker review for you guys. And we have a banger, if you can't tell by the box already. We're going to go over the box, go over the sneakers, give you guys our thoughts, whether or not it's worth the resale value. I don't think he knows the resale value just yet, but I will tell him, and then he'll let you know if it's worth it or not. So let's get right into it. All right, so here we have the box for the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low Black Phantom, and this does come with a sleeve, just like all the other sneakers have been coming with lately. We have some prints on here. As you know, when you do that little pull, you get the little fart. We've got the Air Jordan Wings logo, Nike Air, Cactus Jack face, Cactus Jack Brandon. What do you think about the box so far? Fire? Cool?
It's a dope box, yeah.
Quality?
It's cool, it's cool.
I love when they add a premium touch of a box top. I don't know, it's just something about it.
It's a nice box. I wouldn't want to get this ruined.
So here we have the secondary box, I guess we can call it. Right here, this is a traditional Jordan 1 box. Color is a little bit different. It's all black on black, but we do have that shiny black on the matte black. I did go with a size 11, and I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys. This is not for the toe. This is for somebody else. They're already sold. They're gone. All right, that's enough about the box. Let's get our first impression of the shoes. All right, Wordsburg, you ready?
Yeah,
I'll give you the first look, bro. I'll give you the first look. What you looking? What the? You're looking at right now. I'll give you one. You give me one. Okay, so we got the bandana. We got bandana wrapped. Here's one. They're individually wrapped with bandanas.
That's pretty cool. That's a cool concept.
That's cool. Right, is there anything else in the box? Nothing else in the box besides the tissue paper. And each shoe is individually wrapped. I wonder if these were hand wrapped. I don't know. Let's see. Here's the first look. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. From pictures and all these stuff, these are not my favorite out of the collection. But let's see if the in-hand look can change my mind. Hey, I don't know, bro. I like them. I talked so much shit about this shoe, and kind of regretting it. They're already sold. They're already out of my collection. Kind of a little regretting it. And you know, I've been seeing some images of some of these getting mold on them. Similar, I don't know, Nike has been having kind of an issue. The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found has had some issues with mold. The Alma Mater Air Jordan 4s have had issues with mold. And now the Travis Scotts were having issues with mold, but
they're getting mold like when it's shipped to them?
Yeah, it's been moldy, yeah.
That's crazy.
But lucky for me, I don't see any mold. Do you see any mold on these? No? Any like major defects? Glue stains? Nothing crazy. Quality on the materials, you already know Travis kills it. Feel this suede or nubuck right here in the middle. Pretty nice. Got stitching on it. The only thing that I'm not a big fan of is this sock lining right here. I don't know. It's like kind of like it reminds me of like an old person sweater kind of.
Yeah. It's
like a super hairy cotton suede. I don't know. But to be honest with you, this shoe isn't as bad as I initially thought it was. Wordsburg, what's your first thoughts about it?
No, it looks pretty dope. This wouldn't be like my everyday wear, but you could definitely rock it with pretty much anything. I kind of wouldn't want to wear it too much because it'd get ruined. That
suede, you get a drop of water, a hint of humidity or sweat, and that suede is gonna be ruined. Cause this suede is like super like quality and supple. But like anything is gonna, you gotta definitely put a protectant on here, some like crepe protector, something on here. But let's give you guys a closer look so you guys can see. So the whole shoe is black. The only other color we have on here is the white for the contrast stitching. Materials is amazing. We do have a soft suede / nubuck. We do have a rougher suede going around the toe cap. As you guys know, Travis Scott's signature, we do have the reverse swoosh. So for the heel cap right here on this one, we do have an embroidered bumblebee. And on the back of this one, we have the Air Jordan Wings logo. So luckily for this pair, we do have a couple different laces. We have the stock black flat laces. We have a red lace, and then we have a white and black lace. White and black lace is going to be pretty interesting. It's going to make the shoe pop. Red as well. So there's red on the insole of the Jumpman. Right there, if you guys can pick that up. We got the red on the Jumpman on the insole right there. And for this insole, it's the traditional Travis Scott insole, just like mainly all the All Jordan ones have. Alright, Worsberg, so let me tell you some facts about it, okay? So basically this shoe was retail, I believe it was 170. I think it was 170, 180 around there after tax. I did hit for retail on the sneakers app. And resale was going for about $1,000. It has come down a little bit. It is sitting about $750 to $800 range. Is this shoe worth the resale, or would you rather have one of the other Travises that I showed you?
I would rather have one of the other Travises.
One of the other Travises? Yeah. All right. I agree with you on that. The other Travises are going for about $1,200 to $1,600 brand new, give or take your sizes and stuff like that. So the ones are a little bit more expensive. This is probably the cheapest Air Jordan 1 that Travis Scott has done. But you know, it's still decent resale value, and I definitely did make some bread. And another detail that I want to talk to you guys about is that we do have this Cactus Jack branding, a subtle detail right on the inside of the Nike swoosh right there. And on the tongue, we do have the Nike Air branding and Cactus Jack branding as well. Alright, and as you guys know, on this channel, we give every sneaker a rating from 1 to 10, and I'm going to give my rating, and then Worsberg's going to give his rating. I'm honestly going to give this shoe a lot higher of a rating than I would have given before I looked at it in hand. Before, I was giving this shoe around a 6, a 7, but looking at it in hand, this shoe is amazing quality, good details, and luckily for me, I was able to hit for retail, so that is a plus in that aspect. And even on the resale market, this is the cheapest Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 low, so it's not that bad. So with all those factors taken in, I'm honestly going to give this shoe a rating of a 8.3, almost right there. It's just not giving me that oomph of Travis, you know how he does with his browns, his blues, his greens. It's a pretty plain sneaker, and I'm just not the biggest fan of contrast stitching. But 8.3 is a good score. Worsberg, what are you giving this shoe?
I give it a 7.9.
7.9. All right, so you're right there. You like it, but it's not too crazy.
Yeah, I mean it is plain, but for me, when I have a plain shoe, I'd rather have it completely just like one solid plain black. But you know,
black stitching. So you would have rather the black stitching. Yeah, I feel you on that. The black stitching probably would have been a little bit better. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this little Christmas special. And I hope you guys do have a Merry Christmas. And you guys get every single gift that you guys desire underneath that Christmas tree. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to leave a like on the video. And make sure you guys check out my social media, my Instagram and my TikTok. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And make sure you give my boy Wurs a follow. If you guys are looking to join up on a Discord, I would really appreciate you guys checking out my Discord. It's going to be the top link down in the description box below. Join up on the Poppy Gang server so we can continue to grow the community over there. Alright guys, well this shoe is amazing. From the box to the bandana to the quality and the materials on this shoe. This shoe is a lot better in hand than they are in pictures. Alright guys, it's been your boy Tim.
Wurs.
We out here. Merry Christmas.
Deuces.
And as you guys know, Air Jordan 1 smell amazing. Let me get that first smell test right here. Nothing better than a fresh pair of Air Jordan 1s. You want a whiff?
I'm gonna take a hit.
Come on, get a whiff.
Yeah.
That shit smells so good.